What's up, guys? I'm Miles B. Let's get in focus. Just got pumped. Ooh! I'm on a run, and today, Miles Be Motivated. Today, the tip I'm going to share to help you stay motivated is to be consistent in your habits. No matter what it is, eating, sleeping, exercising, working out, going to the gym, cleaning those dishes, whatever it is, be consistent in your habits. Over time, your body will naturally gravitate towards that habit and want to and have that desire, and it will feel guilty if it does not complete that habit. I have created a habit of waking up early at 5:30 every day. Even when I'm going to bed late, my body just naturally wakes up. You will feel rejuvenated when you complete that habit. So when you are in the dumps, you're getting that burnt out feeling, whatever it is that you're struggling with in staying motivated, just be consistent. Just plow through. You can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. Be consistent in your habits. Let's lace up and go.